Tonight we're making my crispy chicken with broccoli. Chris's absolute favourite meal is crispy chili beef. That's already on the blog, I'll leave a link to that below. This is my chicken version, which is super tasty, on the table in 20 minutes, and way better than takeout. So we're going to start with heating the oil. We'll heat it in a wok or a large frying pan. And then we're going to coat the chicken. Add corn flour, salt and pepper to the chicken and mix together till thoroughly coated. Fry in the wok over a high heat until lovely and crispy. Then transfer to a bowl lined with kitchen paper to soak up any excess fat. So now we're going to turn the heat right down, and then we're going to add ginger and garlic, and we'll give that a stir just for a minute, and then we'll add in broccoli and chilies. There goes the broccoli and the chilies, and give it a stir again. Whilst the broccoli is cooking, we'll make the sauce. Mix together lime juice, soy sauce and golden caster sugar. If you want a gluten-free version, you can use tamari instead of soy sauce. So now that broccoli's been cooking for a couple of minutes, I want it to still be a little bit crisp. I'm going to remove it from the pan. And then we're going to add the sauce to the pan. So add it in, and then we'll knock up the heat and bring that to the boil. We want that to simmer for a few minutes until the sauce thickens and goes quite syrupy. If you are using tamari, you may need to add in a little bit of corn flour and water slurry just to help thicken it, because tamari is a little bit thinner than soy sauce. Add the chicken and broccoli back into the wok and stir together to thoroughly coat in the sauce. Serve with boiled rice and some chopped spring onions and chillies. This is my crispy chicken with broccoli. Really hope you like the recipe. Please like and subscribe for more tasty recipes each week.